Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to put the integration of this one. We know that the integration of this one you got about f of s. The integration of cosine s, we have sine s. The integration of secant of s where we have tan s, and I will put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to b over 3, this one equals to number 3, that's about y. So I will put this one gone here and here, number 3 gone here to find the value of c. So I will put this one go to the left. We calculate about this one and we got number 3 minus number 2 with the square root of number 3. So we go back in here. Now we need to change c into this one and we got the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.